So by the time of this video, you guys already know exactly what's going to be going on. We are finally going to be going ahead and changing these clear headlights to yellow tint. And now if you guys haven't watched the video I did, you know, a few months back, I did tint these fog lights. I was originally going to do the headlights, but people said just to do the fogs, and so I did. Left it like this for a while, but now I think it's time for a little change. We're gonna see how it looks. I might gonna rock it for a little bit. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna love it or, you know, like it. If I don't like this, then I will obviously go ahead and remove it clearly, but if I like it, I'll rock it for a bit. Pretty much got everything. We got our heat gun, we got our squeegee, we got our razor, we got, you know, a little microfiber towel, we got ourselves a little bottle with soapy water, and of course we got our film wrap. That is pretty much all you need to get this job done. I've seen some cars with like the yellow on yellow, and it actually looks pretty good. And then on some, it doesn't look too good, so I don't know, but I feel like why not just give it a try, and then I can just take it off if I don't like it. But anyway, this should be fairly simple. It shouldn't be any longer than, you know, like maybe like 30 minutes, maybe even less. So who knows? These headlights are already like pretty bad anyway, so it doesn't even matter even if it turns out bad or not. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get straight to this. Now the first thing obviously to do, we're gonna go down and clean the headlights, because obviously you want a nice clean surface for when you apply the film. So of course we're gonna go ahead and spray it with some soapy water and continue from there. So now we can go ahead and work on placing the actual film. By the way, if anybody's wondering what film I'm using, it's from Vivid. So if you guys need any headlight film, definitely check them out. I got it off of Amazon, pretty cheap, so. Alright guys, so check it out. It doesn't look bad from a distance, but these headlights are like pretty old and like bad that when you go like super close to it, you can see like stuff like that that's already on the headlights, and so they kind of look pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. I'm also not the best at film wrapping, but hey, you gotta try it out, right? But anyway, that's how it looks. But what do you guys think about it? Do you guys like this look or this look? So you see, yellow and clear, or should we continue with yellow on yellow? Honestly, I am liking the yellow on yellow more than the clear. I guess since it's because I got so used to the clear that now just, you know, switching it up a little bit is good. Blue and yellow together, such a good combo. It's kind of like black and red, right? Just like goes so well together. One thing I noticed with this film is that it works better without applying the water on the headlights and then adding the villain on top. It's actually better if you just put it on dry. For some reason, I don't know, it's a whole lot easier. Keep that in mind if you are getting this tint, that it works better dry than to put it on wet. But yep, now it's your turn to be done. So let's go ahead and do this real fast. You guys tell me how it looks. Now it is not perfect. Like I said, I am not good at any type of like tint film or villain wrap or anything like that, but you know, you gotta try. And then of course the more I do it, the better I'll get. This one actually looks a lot better than this side. This side I did really bad on, I'm not even gonna lie, like really bad, especially on this corner edge part, pretty bad. Yeah, but honestly, for my first time doing headlights, like it is not bad at all. I'll rock it for the time being. I mean, it's not that bad, it's not too bad, it's pretty decent, so I'll rock it for like, you know, a month or two, and then I'll probably take it off once I get bored of it or whatever. But for meanwhile, it's just a little added taste to the car. But anyway guys, that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe, of course, for more videos, for more content. And I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me due to the wind. It's kind of a little bit windy, but it's also super hot at the same time, so I'm trying to get out of the sun. Rock with the yellow on yellow, or do you guys like how it was before with the clear white on yellow? You guys let me know. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.